Hi there, back with another video, and in this video we will learn how to display a specific badge if the product meets a certain criteria. So in this video we will see how we can show a new badge if a product is created within the last week. So let's dive into the code. I've just created a new product, and in the storefront we can see that it has the new tag, and the rest of the products do not have any tag because they were created before the last week, and this one fulfills the criteria, hence we show a new tag to it. So how did we achieve this? It's quite simple. All you need to do is take a look at date filter in Liquid, and a product has a property of created at, and these are all two things we need to look into to fulfill this criteria. So let's take a look. So simply created a liquid tag. It's neater way to write it down, otherwise we could have these four separate lines. So the threshold is the time duration we want the product to fulfill the criteria, since we want it for the week. So 7 days, each day has 24 hours, 60 minutes for each hour, 60 seconds for each minute, and then we multiply it by 1000 to convert it into milliseconds, and we get the current time using this. Then the product has a property of created at. We convert it into seconds, and then we also convert into milliseconds for comparison. Then the time difference, we calculate if the current time minus the product created time, if this is less than threshold. So the threshold is this, like 7 days converted into milliseconds. So if the time difference between the date or the time the product was created and the time right now is less than the threshold, which is 7, we want to show this span over here. And for the styling purposes, I just used the base.css file and did some basic styling. We did z index so that it appears above the images, otherwise that won't show. So you can play with the colors, whatever the brand colors you have, you can play with these. And let's refresh and see if these reflect. Let's refresh and see if these reflect in the storefront. Let's wait for it to load. And that's how we can show a new badge to a product created within the last 7 days. Now, is this limited to this? No, you can do a lot of things. For example, you can show if a product is hot selling and is selling like anything, you can show a badge based on meta fields or even tags. But for the sake of this video, this is it. Let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.